Hello techies, welcome back to Techie Help. Today we will see how you can create your website into a fully function website, but it's only used in front end, not used in backend parts. Okay, so if you have any project integrated with backend, please skip this video because it's not for you. Today we will see how you can convert your front end website into a fully function मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन. ओके, सो अगर आप कभी भी हैकाथॉन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो फ्रंट एंड से रिलेटेड है, ठीक है, फ्रंट एंड के बेसिस पे है, जैसे कि बेसिक उसमें ईमेल जेएस लगा हुआ है नोटिफिकेशन के लिए या फिर ईमेल के लिए, ठीक है, तो वो सब हैंडल कर सकता है. ठीक है, तो अगर आप किसी हैकाथॉन में अभी हो और आपको फ्रंट एंड में ही प्रोजेक्ट है, ठीक है, और आपको जो भी मेंटर्स हैं हैकाथॉन के उनको मीन्स इम्प्रेस करना है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो कि अपने वेबसाइट को होस्ट करना है और होस्ट करके उसका लिंक पेस्ट करना है और 2 से 3 मिनट के अंदर अपना पूरा का पूरा फंक्शनल एप्लीकेशन बन के रेडी हो जाएगा, जिसको आप डाउनलोड करके अपने मेंटर्स को दिखा सकते हो एंड हैकाथॉन विन कर सकते हो. ओके, सो दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एज ए स्टूडेंट. And if you are a businessman, you also do it for your customer. Okay, and you also host on your Play Store, and also you host on Mac Store something. Okay, so without delay, let's get started and see how it's work behind the scene. Okay, so मिलते हैं वेबसाइट पे. Okay, so without delay, let's get started with your app. Okay, so firstly you have a deploy app. Without deploy app link, you can not convert it into a web application. Like you want to convert your local host link in your application, so that are not okay. Okay, so if you want to host any website, I'll give the link in I button, you can go through. Okay, I'll previously make these videos. Okay, so let's see without a delay. Okay, so this is my website, and today I'll see how you can create a mobile application. Okay, so I'll show you live how you can create this website into application. Okay, so without delay, let's go to the website. So go on your Chrome browser and write down web into app and click on this. Okay, and here you can see the first link, webintoapp.com. Okay, so click on this. Okay, and here you can see the interface of this website, webinto app. So simply click on get started button. So click on get started button, and here you can see the some details. Okay, so firstly go on your website. Okay, and copy the link. Okay, and paste here. Okay, control V. Okay, and if you have a HTML file, you also select here and publish here. Okay, I'll paste the link and give the name like Techie Help. Okay, here you can company name, so I'll write down my company name, so Techie Help. Okay, so simply click on just few second. Here you can see set logo button, so just a second. Okay, here you can see, click on this and open it. Okay, my app are open, and make sure your app means your icon is size of 512 into 512. Okay, so upload here, that's are appear on the screen when you create a application. Okay, so you can toolbar, you can also splash screen certification something, you can settings, explore this. Okay, I'll go on. So simply click on the next button. Okay, and here you can see app details, Techie Help version 1 v1.0, and here you can see the app link, and here you can see the icon and my package and all the things. Okay, and here you can see the app maker. For Android apps, it's absolutely free and dedicated to Android and iOS application. It's a premium, 89 dollars only. Okay, so it's not just big amount. Okay, if you win hackathon something 1 to 2 lakhs, you also give this. Okay, so now I'll click on make app. Okay, so I'll click on this. Okay, here you can see it's making for registered. Okay, so I'll splash screen because okay. Okay, so just click on make app. Just wait a second, I'll zoom out it. Okay, here you can see registered and login. So I have already account, so just wait and login it. Just confirm my password and enter. Here you can see the login. Click on login. Okay, I am login on this site. I'll click on full mode. Just wait a second. Here you can see the Techie Help V1 version 1. Okay, and here you can see all icon for download. So click on this. Okay, and now here you can see download it free. So click on this download. Click on all zip file. So here you can see it's downloaded. Okay, I'll pause it because I'll previously downloaded it. Okay, so I'll open my file. Just go on download, and here you can see TechieL version 1.0. so click on click on this and extract the file. Okay, after extracting, here you can see all the things. Now click on Android, and here you can see. Okay, just a second. Okay, just a second. Okay, so app release .aab, what it meant. Okay, so if you want to publish your app on the Play Store, okay, so if जब भी आप प्ले स्टोर पे अपलोड करोगे तो आपसे एक फाइल मांगेगा, ठीक है। तो वो फाइल जो है हमारा रिलीज एपी के नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है, उसके लिए हमको अलग फाइल चाहिए। तो ऐप रिलीज .aab करके जो हमारा फाइल है, ये हमारे प्ले स्टोर के लिए, ठीक है। जब भी आप प्ले स्टोर पे होस्ट करेंगे अपने जो भी प्रोजेक्ट है उसको लॉन्च करेंगे, जो भी वेबसाइट एप्लीकेशन में कन्वर्ट किए हैं उसको आप लॉन्च करोगे, तब आप इसका यूज करना, ठीक है। अदरवाइज आई विल this here you can see app release.apk. so installed it on your phone, okay, and doing all the things, okay। सो मिलते हैं अपने मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे एंड दिखाते हैं आपको कि ये वर्क कैसे करता है एंड इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस, ओके। एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग बिकॉज you are subscribe my channel and you motivate me to bring this type of videos that's help you, okay। so if you new on this channel, please subscribe this channel for this type of videos, okay। so I hope you doing well, and if you want to any mentorship program and any internship opportunities, connect me on my Topment account. I'll give the link in the description box. You come through that, okay। and in topment.io we all the services are not free, but some services are free. You go through that, okay। here you can see after we click on app release.apk, here you can see the installment process. so here you can see the Techie Help and its logo. do you want to install this application? so I'll click on the installed, and let's see what's happening, okay। so let's see, just wait a second for installing. It's take a few minutes and second, okay। so here you can see app scan recommendation. so if you want to you scan and skip, okay। so I'll scan the app, and it's a scan because it's a third party app, so mobile protection is on. Okay, so you can see you can continue to install. Okay, so no error and no any bug. Okay, so click on install and let's see what happening. Just wait a second. Okay, so here you can see app installed. Okay, here you can see our app is installed on our phone. So I'll simply done it. Okay, so I'll done it and I'll go on this, and here you can see the techie help. So I'll click on this. Just wait a second. Here you can see it's loading and my app are loading. Okay, that's awesome. My app are working on my phone. Here you can see I'll doing all the things, and all the things are working. So let's trying to log in it. uh, let's see it's backend working or not. So I'll continue with Google and let's see what's happening. So the request access is invalid. Okay, so you can we only access of the front end, not back end. Okay, so this app help you only for you front end only. Okay, you can not access of back end parts like login or sign up. Okay, so I'll go on internship and training program, and here you can see the front end part are looking good. Okay, and also when I click on okay, so internship page are open, and when I click or apply now, let's see what's happening. Just wait. Okay, so also here you can here is open the razor pay page, and that's looking good without taking any Chrome help and Google. Okay, so this feature is awesome and working well. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe this video, and please watch till the end, because we are taking step by step to make your app, and also you can release your app on Play Store. We all cover this in this video. Okay, let's code.